Welcome to our comprehensive guide on managing inventory in Odoo. In this video, you'll learn how to enable and add storage locations, create a new operation type, and adjust inventory quantities. Follow along to enhance your inventory management process. First, log into your Odoo account and navigate to the main screen. From here, go to the Settings module. In the Settings menu, find and enable the Multi-Locations option. This feature allows you to manage multiple storage locations within Odoo. Remember, after making any changes in the settings, it's crucial to save them to avoid any errors. Click Save to apply the changes. Now navigate to the Inventory module. We'll start by adding a new storage location. Click on Configuration and select Locations. Then click the Create button. Enter the location name, for example, East Warehouse, and any other relevant details such as the parent location or location type. This helps in categorizing your locations effectively. Save your changes, and your new storage location is ready to use. Next, we'll create a new operation type. Operation types in Odoo define different inventory operations, such as receipts, deliveries, and internal transfers. In the Inventory module, go to Configuration and select Operation Types. Click Create, enter the name for your operation type, such as Special Transfers, and configure any specific settings required for your operations, like picking type or default source location. Save your changes to finalize the new operation type. Now, let's adjust the inventory in your newly created location. Go to the Inventory Adjustments section. Click Create to start a new adjustment. Select the location you created earlier, for example, East Warehouse. To adjust the inventory quantity, enter the product details. Let's say you have a product called Widget. Set the initial quantity from 0 to 5. This means you're adding 5 units of widget to the East Warehouse. Double-check the details and confirm the adjustment to update the inventory levels. Odoo will now show that there are 5 units of widget in the East Warehouse. Finally, if you need to adjust the inventory back from 5 to 1, repeat the process. Create a new adjustment, select the location, and enter the product details. This time, set the new quantity to 1, indicating a reduction in stock. Confirm the adjustment to reflect this change in your inventory records. Odoo will now display that there is 1 unit of widget in the East Warehouse. And that's it. You've successfully enabled and added storage locations, created a new operation type, and adjusted inventory quantities in Odoo. These steps help ensure that your inventory records are accurate and up to date, allowing for better stock control and efficient operations. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more Odoo tutorials. Keep your inventory management smooth and efficient with Odoo.